Welcome back to my channel, you guys. This nail set is going to be the nail set that I do for my husband's homecoming because of course I cannot go with my hands looking like this. So let's get into it. I actually did this set off camera to make sure I really knew what it is I wanted to do, and I ended up doing these like hand painted red florals with a classic white Frenchy. Pretty confident that's what I'm doing. Let's get into it. I'm using these nail tips from Gelfully. These are in the shape and length almond medium. I really love how these are pre-buffed on the inside, and I think it really helps with the longevity of the nail set. Okay, I just picked out my nail sizes, but I'm actually going to be using one short nail for my thumb. If you know, you know, mom life, car seat, in and out, unbuckling, buckling, like it's really hard to do with long nails. And because we're going to be traveling soon, I'm going to be doing a lot of like in and out of the car seat, attaching the car seat in and out of different cars, and I just want to make my life a little bit easier by just doing one short thumbnail. So I'm using these nail tips from Gel-like. Is that what this is called? Yeah, Gel-like. Literally just for my thumb. And it won't look too crazy because I feel like it is the thumbnail. So I don't know, like when you look at my hand, you don't really see the thumb. If that makes sense, let me know if anybody else out there does this, because this is a little mom hack that I like to do. So I'm gonna use this short thumbnail for my thumb instead of this one. Nobody will ever know. Now let's get into some nail prep. I'm gonna file to smooth out the edges. And then using my e-file to buff the nail and remove the shine. Okay, so for my base color, I will be using one of my favorites. This is the color Creme de la Femme from Gelish. This bottle is disgusting and very old. I practically at the very end of this. I'm literally running out of it. I definitely need to restock very soon. But I'm gonna end up doing 2 coats of this polish. We are officially leaving to California in 2 days, and I'm low-key like stressing because I feel like I have so much to do and I don't have a lot of time to do what I need to do, like film and edit a nail video before I go. I really wanted to get a nail video out, but I am literally so excited. I'm gonna be seeing my husband for the first time in 6 months in person, which is crazy because in the beginning time was going so slow, but now that we're already here, I'm like, wow, that actually was kind of quick. So I would love to know if there's any military wives who watch my YouTube channel or watch my nail videos. If you are a military wife, comment down below, let me know, because I think that's super interesting. I feel like not a lot of military wives follow me because I don't really make that a part of my like online persona like a lot of people do. But if you know, you know. But no shade, no shade, no shade. I'm just saying some people do really make it the whole personality, but I feel like I'm not like that. I have my own like interests and things going on. Anyway, let me know if you're military wife. And this is what 2 coats of that nude polish looks like. Super pretty. Now let's get into these Frenchies. I am just gonna be using this white from Nail Reserve. I know my bottle is disgusting, I'm sorry. This is what happens when I be rushing, but anyway, if you guys want 50% off, I do have a coupon code, and 50% is a lot of money to take off of an order. So I'll have the information and my link and code and everything in the description box. So check that out if you're interested. I'm going to be using this 25mm brush, super long, super thin. Do our little Frenchie using our T-curve method. Gonna lie, my brush is kind of stiff, and I don't know why, because I always clean it after I use it. I store it properly. I don't know if there's like, there probably is. I really never looked into it, like actually the proper way to care for your nail art brushes. But I feel like I'm buying new brushes every other month, which can't be a thing. Like maybe I need to invest in better quality ones, because I really just do be buying the cheapest ones on Amazon. But I mean, they work great for the time being. It's just that none of my brushes last long, and I don't know why. Like, I don't think it's the way that I'm using it. I don't know what the problem is, but I'm so excited to be going back to California for this homecoming and just to see my husband in general, but I'm like kind of anxious about flying with my toddler. We've flown plenty of times in the past. We've honestly took advantage. We took advantage of the fact that infants can fly free on your lap up to 2 years old, and baby, we took advantage. And I feel like this is probably the last time he's going to be able to fly on my lap. Obviously, he's turning 2 soon and we don't really have any other plans to travel. Even if he wasn't 2 years old soon, it's just the fact that he's so mobile and so talkative and has his own little personality. I feel like it's gonna be so hard to contain him. So pray for me, y'all. Okay, now let's get into these florals. For the middle finger, I'm just gonna do a bigger one. The ring finger is gonna have 2 smaller ones. So let's start with the middle. I'm gonna be using this red color from, it's a brand called Honey Fam, but I just bought this randomly at a nail supply store a few years ago. I just like this one because it's super bright. It's like the perfect shade of red. And then for my flowers, I'm kind of just gonna map them out and start small, and then we'll build up the petals once I kind of see where everything's going to be positioned. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have 5 petals. Now that I have that, I'm gonna round out those little lines to actually turn it into a petal-like shape. Perfect. I'm actually like the way that looks, surprisingly. First try. I usually have to try like a million times. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 and then work on the ring finger. These are gonna be smaller since I'm gonna add 2. I'm gonna add like 1 and then like 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here in the corner, we'll do like a flower that's kind of hanging off. Now let's build up the petals a little bit. That one's looking a little more blobby, but I think I'm gonna trust the process on that one. And we're gonna do these up here. I think I'm going to erase this one down here and start over. I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60. And then the thumbnail is also gonna have a flower, so we're gonna make this one a pretty big one. To add a little more detail on the flowers, I'm going to use this yellow. This is from Beetles, the color E676. It's just like a pastel yellow. And then for even a little more detail, I'm going to be adding dots to the edges of the petals. I'm using this tweezer just because it's the smallest little thing that I have to make the tiniest little dots. So I'm sticking that in the polish, and this feels like brain surgery, but I'm just adding 3 little dots to the edges of the petals. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go back in with the red polish and add some like little lines that come out of the flower, as well as some dots. I feel like just adding little dots brings things together, you know? If you do nails, you know, add a little dot here and there and it'll make it look so much cuter. But I'm gonna drag this out from the side like that, and I'm gonna do one on the top. Just the little details that really make it look so much better. I'm going to use the other side of that pencil as a dotting tool, so I'm going to use that to create dots along those lines that I just added. And I'm going to cure that and just repeat that on the other two nails as well. I feel like this one is looking like a starfish more than a flower, I don't know. But I'm not redoing it because I don't need to be a perfectionist. And then because you guys know I cannot do a nail set without adding some type of bead or pearl or rhinestone, we're gonna add these gold beads as well as these like yellow pearls. I'm only gonna add them to the middle and ring fingers, so we're not gonna do too much, but we're still gonna add a little bling. I'm gonna use this rhinestone glue from a cart, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of the flower. And then we're gonna use these. These are pretty small. I'm gonna add, I think, like 4. Okay, I'm gonna flash cure that. And then I'm just gonna add a few of these little pearls. I'm gonna use the tiny ones. We're done, and that is what they look like. They actually look so pretty. I know the thumb looks a little crazy, but you guys understand, right? To top coat them, I'm using this top coat from Beetles. If you watched my vlog, I did say that I was going to attempt the 3D flowers, and I did attempt it. I think I posted a YouTube short or like a TikTok about it, but honestly I wasn't loving the way that it looked. I don't know, I need to practice a bit more because it just didn't look that good to me. So I will save that for another video. I'm sorry if that's what you were expecting in this video, but yeah, I just didn't like the way that it came out, and I thought these nails looked better as is versus trying to do the 3D gel on top. Let's go ahead and pack up this set because I think I'm going to apply them once I get to Cali. And these are the nails. Let me know what you guys think about them. I think they look perfect for spring and for summer. I know the thumb looks crazy, but I explained to you guys why I did that. Let me know if anybody else out there does that, but it literally makes mom life so much easier. But yeah, I'm in love with them. I think they came out so pretty, and the flowers were actually pretty easy and pretty fast to do. And once again, I would love your feedback on this nail set. If this is something you could see yourself wearing and ordering, how much would you be willing to pay for this? How much do you think this nail set would be worth to you? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!